Hello students, now we are going to start what is ternary operator. Okay, ternary operator. So can you listen? Okay, you can't say this. Okay, T-E-R-N-A-R-Y, ternary operator. Yeah. Okay, fine. So how to convert? Okay, how to convert? See, how to convert? Okay, how to convert if statement? How to convert if statement? So if A is greater than B, so max is here A, else max is equals to B. Fine. So how to convert this if else? How to convert this if else into ternary operator? As we all know, ternary means question mark and colon. So these two symbols are used in ternary. So as I said earlier in the earlier classes, that ternary means it does the operator works on three operand. It works on three variables. So let us write this. Okay, how we can convert this into ternary operator. So see, here max means whatever this comparison is being done on the basis of A and B. After the comparison is done, our value, okay, either A is bigger or B is bigger. So this A or B is stored where? It is stored in max. So that's why our variable will be max out here. So max is equals to our condition. What is our condition out here? So in ternary operator, the syntax says that variable where your outcome will be stored. So it is stored out here in max. So same thing you have to write out here. Max is equals to condition. What is the condition? A is greater than B. After that, what was our logic? Question mark. Okay, question mark. So if this condition is true, okay, if this condition is true, if this is true, then it will print in the first part, else if this is false, it will move on to the second part. Okay, can you see? Yes, it will move on to the second part. Clear? So if this is true, suppose A is greater than B, so it will print A. If this is false, colon, it will move to the second part, that is B. Clear? So we can check. Suppose let us consider the value of A as 5 and B as 2. Okay, so here it is 5, here it is 2. So 5 is greater than 2, yes, so it will come here, so it will print 5. So this 5 will be stored where? Max. Your answer will be max equals to 5. Clear? Okay, hope you understood this. Okay, so suppose if I change this value, suppose the value of A is 5 and the value of B is 11. Okay, so let us check this once again. So the value of A is 5, the value of B is how much? 11. So let us check. So let us check this. 5 is greater than 11? No. So this is false, means it will switch over to a false part. So in false part, what is written? B. So what is B? 11. So max will be 11. So your value will be now max equals to 11. So this is the way how we can convert ternary operator. How we can convert if else. Okay, if else to ternary operator. How we can convert this. Clear? Okay, fine. Now we are going to do, this ternary operator only if there are suppose three variables. If there are three variables, okay. So suppose this, if A is greater than B, then get inside the loop another. After checking this two, now I have treated that A is greater. Now I have to check with A with another variable C. So if A is again greater, then out here max will be A, else max will be B. Clear? So now close this if after this else part. Okay, think this is false now. If this is false, so if this is false, is it visible? Can you listen? Okay, yes, fine. Okay, now else, okay, else. So think that this A is not, means A is greater than B, false. So come out here, it will come to here. So now we are going to check if B is greater than C. If yes, here max will be B, else. Is it visible? Oh, sorry, it's not visible. Okay, so once again I'll write this little bit upper. I'll write here. Okay, now else if, okay, else if we can write out here only, okay, else if B is greater than C, is greater than C, then what we can write out here? Max is equals to B, else max equals to C. Clear? Is it visible? Yes. Okay, fine. So else if this is B is greater than C, our maximum will be B, or if C is greater, then it will move to the else part, max is equals to C. So now how to write this? Okay, now how to convert this into ternary operator? So how we can convert this into ternary operator? Let us do this. Okay, so ternary operator, so our common variable of storage is what? Max. So here it will be max is equals to, so our first condition is what? A is greater than B. A is greater than B. Okay, A is greater than B. So now so A is greater than B, question mark. Okay, A is greater than B, question mark. Suppose here A is greater than B. If it is true, then it will print A. Okay, sorry, if A is greater than B, see here A is greater than B, this is true, means it will go where? It will go to the inner part. Okay, in the inner part what is there again? Another condition. So inside this, so if this is true, it will do one thing. If this is false, it will do another thing. It will move to the next part. Okay, so if it is true, means it will move again to the inner part. So in the inner, again there is one another condition, you forget this now. So inside this what is there? If A is greater than C, forget this. If A is greater than C, question mark. If this is true, then what will happen? Either A is greater, or who will be greater? C will be greater. Either A will be greater or C will be greater. So now close this loop. Okay, close this loop. Think this is false. If this is false, means this is your true part. So now if this is false, so where it will go? It will move on to the false part. So false means if this is A is not greater than B, where it will go? It will move on to the else part. So in else what is there? Another condition. Come here. So B is greater than C, question mark. B is greater than C, question mark. Then out here you forget this. So if here we check, so either B can be greater or C can be greater. Clear? Either